Hey guys, welcome again. So in previous video we had successfully designed a web page by using three pages: home, blog and contact us. So in this session I'm going to show you how to make those pages as mobile responsive. Okay. Now I am in home page. Let me click on edit with Elementor. Okay, and then at bottom left you can find a responsive mode here. Just tap on that. You can find tablet, mobile and desktop. So default preview will be desktop. I'm going to select a mobile first. Okay, here you can see. So guys, now you can see it is the actual view in mobile. Okay, here you can see some content overlap, so we can modify, no issues. So guys, here the thing is, the changes to mobile doesn't affect to desktop. Okay, I mean separate settings will be there. Okay, so let us design this homepage well in mobile responsive mode. Okay, so now I'm gonna reduce this top and bottom paddings. So I'm gonna hit on this section, just go to advanced and uncheck all these things. Okay, then I'm going to hit on this please subscribe to my channel heading, then go to advanced and uncheck all. Okay, here you can see now it will be good. Okay, then scroll up, it is perfect. Then tap on this section, go to advanced and uncheck all the things. Yeah, now you can find some here, you can see some content is overlapped. Just go to this icon, edit icon, just go to advanced and then uncheck all the things. But this is not gone. Let me edit this. Okay, just go to content. So where it is, yes, here you can see I'm gonna select all these things. I'm gonna cut it. I'll be pasting here and again. Now you can see the content is perfect. So I'm gonna make a paragraphs so that I can add a paragraph here. So we can even add another paragraph coming from it. Okay, it's perfect. I'm gonna update this. So guys, actually the content is overlapped. I mean the content is not pasted here properly, so that I had pasted the content again. Okay, now I had made it a paragraphs. So I'm going to hit on update. So now you can see in desktop mode. Okay, here you can see the paragraphs. So I'm going back to mobile. So now the content is perfect. So the same thing we have to do for contact us page. So I had already opened this page. Just go to responsive mode, select mobile. Okay, now here you can see. Okay, just tap on this section, uncheck margin and padding. Just tap on this edit contact form, then go to advanced and uncheck all the things. Okay, and also just go to column, just go to advanced and uncheck all the things. Then you can find like this. Then just add a padding to contact form. So click on edit WP forms, go to padding. You can add a left padding of 30 pixel and right padding of 10 pixel. Okay, here you can see, then it will be perfect. Then hit on update. So now we'll look in desktop. So desktop is no changes, it is perfect. So mobile, it is updated. So good, right? So just go back to tablet mode. Now we'll edit here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a margin. Just tap on this section, go to advanced and uncheck all the things. Add a margin of top 10 pixel, right will be 30 pixel, left 30 and bottom 30. Okay, and here you can see some content is collapsed. So I'm gonna add padding to forms. Just tick on edit forms, go to padding, add left padding 40 pixel and right padding 40. Here you can see now it is perfect. You can even add a top of 20 pixel. Okay, so now it looks good, and hit on update. So I'm going back to home page, and we have to edit in tablet method. So heading is perfect. Then coming back to these two columns, it will be perfect. Then so everything is going good. Now I'm going to hit on this content. Now go to advanced and add the padding of 10 pixel to top, bottom, right and left. Okay, if you uncheck this, you can add different options here. I mean 10, 20, 30, 40. If you are link these values, then top, right, bottom, left will be having same numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna update this. So now let me check our site how it will be. Localhost slash test slash WordPress. So guys, after installing the plugins, after installing the templates, and after designing the home page and every pages, you have to make the pages responsive, so that you have to select the pages in a tablet mode and mobile mode, and you have to edit, or else the content may be overlaps. Okay, so let us see. So desktop, it is perfect. So I'm gonna click Control Shift I so that I can get an mobile view. Just go to here, Moto G4, just select any device. Yes, here you can see it is perfect. So I'm going to hit on menu and go to blog. Here you can find a search bar. We'll see blog. Okay, blog is automatically mobile responsive, and I'm going to hit on contact us. So now here you can see, so we'll add some padding here so that it will be some good. So just go to contact us, select mobile, tap on section and add margin top 50 pixel. Just hit on update. Okay, let us wait. Yeah, fine, it is updated. Just go back to website, reload to see the changes. Here you can see, yeah, now it looks good. So it's better to add some padding to down also, then it will be more good. So I'm gonna add a 30 pixel to bottom. I'm gonna hit update here. So we'll wait for some time. Yes, it is updated. Just go back and reload the page. So now here you can see it is perfect. So it is completely mobile responsive, right? The content is not overlapped, and it is perfectly readability, and it is perfectly understandable. Okay, here you can even find an animation. So guys, that's all about this session guys. So till now we had successfully created a new pages, successfully installed a plugins, and we had even designed a new pages manually. So we had also imported the demo content, so everything guys. So by using plugin we had made mobile responsive pages. Just explore guys. If you are having any doubts, just watch the videos from first, or still if you are in confusing, just leave a text and ask a question at Q&A session, so I'll be answering to you. This is just a beginner course, and I'm going to prepare another course on designing e-commerce websites also. You can even try now itself. Just download and import a demo content of any e-commerce template, and you can make a trial guys. Okay, so that's all about this session. So I'm going to discuss some SEO tips and tricks on coming video. Thank you.